Hello everyone and welcome back to English Explains. Today I come with this bio math question. 9 minus 1 parenthesis plus 9 plus 1 divided by 2 times 5. Okay, try to solve by your own. You get featured in our shortcut list. Comment your answer, whatever it will be, right or wrong. I will give you shortcut here. These are top commenters. You can be the part of this list. So here we can see we will use here the pen mass and using stepwise method. Okay, so we will first operate this one, 9 minus 1 which equals to 8. So we will simply write 8 here and 9 plus 1 divided by 2 is 5. Now again here one parenthesis is also there, 9 plus 1 which equals to 10. So we will write 8 times 10 divided by, now again this is nothing but what, 2 times 5 or what, nothing else. Now as we can see here, there are 3 operations are there: multiplication, division and multiplication. According to PEMDAS, multiplication and division have the same priority. In that case, we have to operate from left to right. So we will operate here from this left to the right. Okay, first operation will be this 8 into 10, that is 80 divided by 2 times 5. Okay, now we will rewrite here 80 divided by 2 times 5. Now again multiplication and actually division multiplication both are there and we have to operate left to right. So we will operate this 80 divided by 2 which equals to 40. So we will simply write 40 times 5. Now 40 times 5, what will be answer? That is equal to 200. So here right answer is 200. And if you're seniors, then must check out our best product links in the description for you, only for you. And like this video and subscribe channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.